2, 3, let's go!
Guys, I'm at my mum's house, but today I'm going to Benihana with me mate, and I'll check in with you later. Guys, as I said, I'm going out, I'm waiting. It's bank holiday Thursday, so none of that, like, I need a cab to the station and it's just not working out. And I wanted to show you my outfit, but actually I wore this for my room tour, so have a look at that. I'm just wearing some sandals and this kind of I don't know what you'd call this. It's a, it don't even fit, but anyway, it's nice weather. The hay fever. You got something you want to say? What's wrong with you?
No one asked my input, you know?
Anyway, guys, yeah, it's really gorgeous weather, and but my hay fever and my asthma's acting up.
Huh?
What would I say?
What did you say?
My hay fever and my asthma's acting up.
Oh, I thought you said you was trying to say you're asthmatic, but it just didn't go right.
I don't even know. I was just trying to get in my business, but anyway, yeah. Watch my skin though. Oh my gosh, baby, you gonna stay with your auntie today? Yes, you can. Oh hi. Hi. Guys, we're in this very cool place called East Cheek Records.
Do you want to share it?
Hey, I'm
feeling a bit tipsy. What is...
Anyway, we've had a little tipple and a little snacks, and now we're going to where? Benihana. Yeah, so we're going to Benihana, and yeah, like totally, we'll see you there.
Stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do.
Oh hi guys, it's the next day. My hay fever and everything managed to stay at bay. Anyway, so my dad's birthday was about 2 weeks ago, and tomorrow we are having a barbecue at my house, kind of like what we did last year, but this year it's a barbecue. Last year I cooked everything in the kitchen, but this year's a barbecue, so I'm looking for it to be slapdash, like slap it on the barbecue, off, eat, and that's it. But we're also looking to go to the beach as well, so my family's coming over tomorrow. It is about 9:47. I'm not gonna lie, I'm behind schedule, but I needed to sleep, I needed to rest, because traveling to London's not easy. It was a long travel, and when I got home I was just so tired, so I literally just got a shower and got to bed. Oh, let me tell you something. So yesterday when I was leaving my mum's house, and when I'm going to get in the car and Bailey's going to get in the car, I don't put her on the lead. I just let her go, because she knows what the deal is. She knows what she's got to do. Watch my girl. I'm like, come on, get in the car. So she's gone over there. Normally that's fine, you know, she goes over there, she does a little sniffing. Tell me why my girl started wilding out, started going further. So I'm going to go get her now. She's not coming back. Where you going? It's time to go home. It's big like 11 o'clock. Anyway, now she running up all on the development. Big 11 o'clock, it's dark, I can barely see her. So I'm like, Bailey, come here. I was just so sick of it. But because she's been so good, I wasn't scared. Before, when I didn't really know her too tough, you know, I used to be scared, like, where are you running to? Anyway, I took the car and I went round to the other side where she had run up to. And she must have realised that I wasn't there anymore, so she came back up to where I was originally. Hello, you've ran off, I've come to get you, and now you're back where we started. So anyway, I'm calling her and she don't want to come. And this lovely couple was like, is that your dog? I said, yeah. And they were like, do you want some help? I said, I don't know, I'm sure she'll come back eventually. It's just, I think I'm tired of it now, to be honest, because it's a good few times she's run off. She came back, but I think it's because she either saw a cat or she heard something. So, but still, have manners. When I'm calling, you must come back. We don't play that in this house. So she was in a bit of trouble last night. But what are you looking at? Naughty. You was very naughty yesterday, wasn't you? Don't shy away now. You was running up your mouth and running up your gums yesterday. Say sorry. Poor. Say sorry. Anyway, my point is, I mean, I didn't have a point to that, but anyway, so today I need to go and buy the rest of the stuff. I want to make my dad a cake. He likes this carrot cake that I make, and I bought some chicken, but I'm not gonna have enough time today to defrost it and season it today. I'm gonna have to buy more chicken, and my dad, he's a Rasta, he don't eat meat, so I need to go buy, I'm gonna buy salmon and try and do some sort of salmon and prawn skewers. Do I even have skewer sticks? It's a whole thing. And then I've got to go to London. Can I get anything from London? I don't know. It's all becoming long, innit? But yeah, wish me luck, because I also need to clean the house.
This often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you?
Hi guys, today is the day of my dad's barbecue. To be honest, he's downstairs already. I don't understand why people turn up on time, but anyway, he's been waiting for a while, so has my younger sister, so let's go.
Like this.
No one girl can satisfy me. Me need more fuel for the lime green. Me no one girl can deny.
Tell us how what you want to tell them.
Welcome down. You have to tell him. Now fried chicken, I mean I eat chicken.
Slumped over, never scared of the thing, girl, come closer. You need to come over, bad man, we know what I mean. If me ever need for shot that, one time for the rude boy, yeah, you know that. Honey down on a new toy, yeah, you know that. I been looking for you, baby. You need somebody wavy. 300 down on the red, I bought the whole thing. You got to play me, okay? In the way for the thing, she a push on it, but I'm on it, shorty up on it, come rock it down it.
You see, man, no make them hold you back.
We go get the corners, we got the hoes, they pulling up on us. But still I'ma keep it low, cause shorty know I got it, shorty know I'm up down in a Mercedes. No one girl can satisfy me. Me need more fuel for the lime green. Me no one girl can deny me. Me no see me change shiny but white pre. No one girl can satisfy me. I need some fuel for the
Hello, it's all outside for you. Hello, my sweet baby, just for you.
Nana is really nanny, grand, mummy, all in one.
Every single day just stays the same. Wake up, feel that emptiness of face. Wash away the pain and put some makeup on my face, yeah. Every single day just stays the same. I am giving all to you in vain, but I guess I had it coming, so why should I complain? Why should I ever stop, ever stop? Why should I give you up, give you up? And when do I see myself every day? Repeat itself, repeat itself. They say I'm out of my head, cause I keep telling myself.
Good one. Okay, you made it look blurry, but that's alright.
Find me, and one day I'll find you, and we're off to what they call a good start. And then I'll wake up. Every single day just stays the same. Wake up, feel that emptiness of face. Wash away the pain and put some makeup on my face. Every single day.
Alexa, play Happy Birthday to You.
Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip,
Hooray!
hip hip,
Hooray!
hip hip.
Hooray!
How old are you now? 21 today. Everyone's been 21 for 10 years.
Let's go. Let's go.
Samara, look at me. Samara, look at me. You look like your dada. Oh, when she's upset.
See myself every day.
It will get dark and it will get cold. Yep. We love you. Oh, of course I love you. I love all of you. The thing is, she's laughing about you. We're at the beach, guys, and yeah, guys, we're at the beach. Family day at the beach. Bailey was coming. She was gonna come, but at the last minute, she decided she wanted to run off. So I said, no, punishment. Stay home if you're gonna give me hassle. You're right. It's very cold.
It's lovely though.
All of our eyes are watering. Listen, we can't come back. Just come out. I'm stuck in the mud, you know. I was trying to do something so aesthetic. I'm stuck. Nancy, pushing it out there. Was I careful? Listen, the beach is dangerous. You right, Dad?
Yes.
What was you doing?
I pray.
What did you pray for?
Thank you for this day.
Guys, we're going back home now, but we left with a couple casualties. My foot's bleeding out. What happened to you? His foot's numb. She's got a little pin in her foot.